Hello everyone. Welcome to this video. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a professional Salon Admin Panel using HTML5. This admin dashboard is designed for managing salon services, categories, users, and service providers. This is a complete admin panel user interface created for a real-world salon booking platform. The design is clean, responsive, and easy to manage. Management. In this admin panel, the administrator can manage multiple modules. First, the admin can manage service categories and subcategories. Each category includes an image, name, short description, and status options like enable or disable. Service management. Next is service management. Here the admin can view all services added by service providers. Each service shows an image, service name, category, price, ratings, creation date, and current status. The admin can easily enable or disable any service. Search and filters. The admin panel also includes search and filter options. Services can be searched by name or category. Filtering is available by date, category, brand, and price range. This helps the admin find services quickly and efficiently. Management. The admin can also manage users and service providers. Each user profile includes a photo, name, email, phone number, total bookings, and account status. Technology used. This admin panel is built using HTML5, CSS3, Bootstrap, and Font Awesome. No frameworks are used, making it easy to customize and extend. Who is this for? This project is perfect for beginners and front-end developers who want to learn how to build real-world admin dashboards.